Okay bro, yo, how you doing? Let's practice real life English with this vlog. I'm going to take a walk around this city and describe everything I see in English so you can practice your listening and get some new vocabulary maybe, and I will improve my speaking skills because I'm also English learner, and that's a great way to practice your speaking. Bro, that's actually insane because while recording intro, I was sitting there and recording intro to my video. Two girls approached me and we had a real conversation in English because they are foreigners here. So listen to the real English conversation right now. That was cool.
Guys, I'm from India.
I've just met people randomly. They are tourists here in Moscow, and you're from India.
Yeah, I'm from Dutch.
From Germany, right?
I would like to say
that's
something.
So awesome,
I have been born in India, but I'm not Indian. Like I'm Armenian.
Armenian.
But I don't know Armenian, so.
That's so awesome. And how did you guys learn English?
Oh,
how did you learn to speak English?
Generally, I like English music. I like English movies and all this shit. So I would just have been watching all this shit, and I just learn it. And also, I think that it's the international language, so I should know it.
Definitely.
Yeah.
It gives you the ability to talk to many people from all over the world, and you struggling a little bit with English. But Deutsch, ich heiße Andrei.
Oh, ich heiße Karina.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Oh my god, yeah. Nice to meet you guys.
What can you say about this Rostix? It's like KFC here.
Yeah, it's like the Russian version of KFC.
We heard about вкусная точка.
Вкусная точка, right.
Is it like McDonald's?
100%, yeah, it's the same. Like Russian McDonald's, absolutely the same.
Is there any like Happy Meals with toys?
I'm not sure, because I prefer just get burger and fries.
We like to get some toys from the вкусная точка.
Yeah, McDonald's.
It's fun.
Toys? Oh yeah, maybe you will get one, I don't know. This is like your first time in Russia, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
You like it?
Yeah, I like it. It's really sunny.
It's so beautiful here, right?
I thought the weather will be here like cold and all this snow, struggling.
So yeah, shout out to those girls from India and from Germany. Thank you for the conversation. That was amazing. Yeah, my plan right now is to get an ice cream first of all because it is super hot. It's plus 25 degrees, if I'm not mistaken, around that. And first mission today is I want to get an ice cream, and then I will go take a walk around my favorite place in this city. Okay, that's a big area, that's a big white area with a memorial, with just many flowers. It's so green, many flowers. You can see it here, you can see it there on the bench. We have a lot of swings for swinging. I will just go through this pathway right now. Okay. And that's a theater, right? Girls, we were talking about this theater, by the way. But right now, let's go and get some ice cream because that's really hot today. Really hot. Okay, right now I'm going to the grocery store. Yeah, that's a grocery store. Let's go. I got it. Right here, the entrance. The entrance, the place where I will walk in. So I'm opening the door. And I needed to find ice cream. Where was the ice cream? Wait, and here is a fridge with an ice cream, so I can pick one or two, I don't know, as many as I want. So there was a cone, vanilla cone. I love this one. That's my favorite type of ice cream, vanilla cone. There is also an ice cream bar with a stick, but I'm not really a big fan of stick ice creams. There were also many different flavors like chocolate, vanilla. We have even Snickers ice cream. What else? Kinder chocolate ice cream, and a big portions of ice cream. The whole container with the chocolate ice cream. Okay, I will get this one. Cake cone vanilla. And I'm going to pay right now. I bought an ice cream. That's really tasty, even delicious. When it's very, very tasty, we can say delicious. There's vanilla taste, white, and waffle cone. Waffle. And now I feel really, really good because it's sweet. Not a single day without an ice cream, right? So, by the way, tell me please in the comments, like, did you understand that conversation that we had with the girls? Did you understand that English? I decided to change the direction and go this way because, like, I pretty much already went there many times, but here that's a new route for me. So there is a nice building, like European style, yeah, with the balconies. I love those balconies. By the way, I love that buildings here are not just white or black, gray. It's like a yellow and they're brown and it's like beige color. I really love these colors. And pink as well. Pink flowers. And it's also so quiet right here. Wait, is this real? Like, no, not real flowers. Tables are empty. This restaurant ain't got no clients. Why? Chairs and tables are not taken right now. Oh, palm leaves. Leaves. I don't know why, but that street gave me right now a feeling of being somewhere in Spain or Latin America, even though I have never been there. But I saw, like, I watched on YouTube and the movies that, like, you have kind of a break during the day where, like, nobody is working, restaurants are closed, everybody just sleeps at home and chilling, maybe sitting in the cafe and just chilling with friends. I don't know, and like that street was about that colorful, many colors, green flowers, and quiet. Nobody's doing nothing. Many expensive cars here. That's a fact. Many expensive cars. Look, that's a great Mercedes. I'm going to be honest. Oh, that's so comfortable in the shade. It's so fresh and good to be in the shades, in the shade part. Man, like, honestly, I'm the biggest fan of this place. How can I cross the street? I mean, crosswalk. That's my favorite place in Moscow. Whoa, they got a green horse on the top. Wait, but as far as I remember, it used to be a red dragon. Last time I've been here, it used to be a red dragon, but now it's a green horse. I suppose they change it every season, probably. Nice streets, but I will walk there to the ponds. By the way, I'm wondering if those girls are still there, because I recommended them visiting this place. There was an ice cream stand with water. By the way, what's the price? What's the price? 150 rubles. I bought water in a grocery store twice cheaper than it costs in this stand. Financial literacy, bro, financial literacy. So, that's spectacular. Take a look. We got pond, we got trees, we got a restaurant. So right now I'm going to go around the pond and see what's happening. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Nice. It's like a dusty road. They have lights hanging over the whole building. Christmas lights. This is like the main entrance to the pond. Let's get closer. Let's go downhill. There was like a hill. In a slow pace here, not in a hurry. And I will take a seat right here on the grass. And I will put my backpack. I will sit on my backpack, just not to get my shorts dirty. Wow, and this water is really clean. Like, you can see even seaweed, green seaweed. That's pretty transparent. That's pretty clean. I really like this water. Such a peaceful place. We see beautiful sky, beautiful buildings. So yeah, bro, I'm so happy to be in this place. It's so chill, right? But I'm still worrying about not to drop my phone into the water, but I will hold it tightly, you know. It's finally super warm. It's gonna be summer in 2 weeks. We have 2 weeks left at college of studying, but after a month, I suppose, we're going to have an exam session. Yeah, I will be having 3 exams. I'll have to pass it, but you know, I think it's not gonna be so difficult because I noticed a pattern that the closer it is to graduation at college, the easier it is to pass the exams, to study in general, the less classes we have. When you are in the first course, in the second course, you got a lot of classes. We had many classes, and that was pretty hard to wake up early in the morning to go to school, to do homework. But right now we had a lot of free time. I think they did in order to give us a time to get a job, to already start working, because we're supposed to be engineers. I study engineering stuff, designing sensors. And look at those birds. Wow, that's a duck. People are filming ducks. So cool. That's a real nature out there. Goes underwater. Duck went underwater right now. And swans. White swan. Let's get closer to this one. And dogs. Just the whole zoo is here. The whole zoo. Swans. Let me see swans. White swans. People are probably feeding them. All right, let's keep going. What is that, by the way? I didn't see it before. It is like a bear with a guitar, a rabbit, and a monkey with golden palms. All right. What does it even mean? Oh, and there was a goat. Goat. Probably Messi. I also noticed that many people are coming here to read a book, to sit in a quiet place, to be reading, to be studying maybe. So that's a good place for studying as well if you want to study outside, not sitting in a room. There is an artist. Look at this artist. He's drawing a picture of something. An artist. Really nice. Wow. So I made a circle around the pond. I've already left that place. I'm going somewhere different, I don't know where. But I want to notice that today I've met so many beautiful cars and beautiful people in here. That's kind of place where everybody is dressed up. You dress up, you have a good car, that's your status, to be, to show that you have money. And I love this place. I don't know why. I want to sit there next to the fountain. Wait, is this water cold enough? I don't know. Let me just try. Oh yeah, that's cold. Look at this nature. Yeah, we have beautiful nature around, amazing nature, but this nature is spectacular. What is that? Is this a mushroom? I don't know. Wow, got a huge butterfly. Just a forest with water. Winter in Russia. And that's winter. That's exactly how it looks like, by the way. Right now it's summer, it's green, but it used to be like this in the winter. Like all of this used to be like this, covered by snow. That's so amazing to be walking here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed learning English. That was a really great and spontaneous thing that I had a conversation with English speakers today. If you want to practice English with the people, if you want to maybe find a speaking partner or just make more international friends, I created a group chat on Telegram for English learners. Yeah bro, group chat on Telegram. The link is going to be below. Nice pink stand and a street singer. So yeah guys, I love you so much. Thank you for being here. Keep learning English. English is amazing. It's not hard to learn, and I believe in you that you will become fluent in English. Don't stop and keep learning. Thank you. Have a good day. Boom.